days I look around at the toys on the floor, the cold coffee made 2 hours ago, and baby D clinging to my leg. And I think, how do people actually do this? And the truth is, then I remember I'm doing this. I just had to figure it out what staying sane actually looks like for me. And spoiler alert, it's not bubble bath and journaling, it's a lot specific than that. Hi, I'm Shruti, stay at home mom, Bay Area girl, and someone who is very much figuring this out in real time. Today, I'm sharing exactly what keeps me grounded, the small, the honest, everyday things. You want to say hi? Hi. So my BD is having his breakfast, and meanwhile I am having my coffee. I usually start my day. I need a coffee because past couple of days have been a little bit rough as baby D is teething and he's having a lot of pain and inflammation on his lower side of his, I think so, right side. Yeah, he's having a lot of pain in the right side of his lower jaw. That is like his molar is coming up, and it has been really rough. Like he had a high fever, but now finally he's feeling good, and I feel he's fine today. Yeah, he's at least playing around, and he's being himself today. It was really rough. I feel so bad looking at such a small kid or babies going through such a lot of, like, they go through so much of pain and they are unable to express like what's going on. And I feel so sorry. I feel it like every mom has to go through this, and they can see that their babies going through the pain. Some of them are really lucky, they do not feel any pain, but yeah, most of the time babies go through this teething phase and it's really rough. Anyways, my plan is baby D is gonna play around and I'm gonna finish up my workout. Meanwhile, baby D will. Yes, what? What happened? One at a time. But meantime, this is the situation with our pool. I think so they are renovating and there is a lot of noise, drilling and grinding over there. So we have to deal with this for a few days. I am not sure how far you guys can hear it, but it has been really loud past couple of days along with baby D teething. I was all ready for a workout, but you know, it doesn't go as planned. Baby D had an accident, so he needed to go to pee and poop at the same time. So we had to pause my workout, and I finished up his work, what he was into it, and he's having bath right now. And meanwhile, I will finish up the other work. So the best thing about like to keep it everything organized and on the time is like to do the meal prep of the dinner in the morning time, so it helps you keep the meal really ready on time when it's you're not hustling around or not everything is falling apart when baby is crying, when baby is cranky, baby is hungry, you are like going insane because like you don't know what you have to do you have to keep the baby or prep the meal. So I feel like this is the best thing, like you prep the dinner meal like in the morning time, so it becomes easier to cook what you have to cook for the dinner. So right now I'm cooking a simple meal, that's dal rice, because I wanted to keep today it simple. Guys, this is your reminder to stay hydrated. If you haven't drank your water enough, please sip a cup. Yes, wait, Baba. We'll be cleaning. You want to clean? Rith wants to clean. I use robot. I have the robot for cleaning the whole house, but for spot cleaning, I always prefer to use the hand vacuum because it's easy and I can do it really quick. And I usually, with babies, this is with babies this becomes it comes really handy because they are putting up the stuff here and there after eating, so it becomes easier. Okay, we are ready and we are setting out to park. I'm taking baby Glee to park right now. Usually every day at evening when the weather is good, I usually take him out to the park because this is the best thing where he can be a little bit outdoors and it's really good for him. Finally home. Evening like this are honestly my favorite. Just fresh air, slow moments and happy baby. Now it's time to wind down, maybe a quick cleanup, dinner and then bedtime chaos begins. Some days feel overwhelming, but moments like this make it all feel worth it. If you are also in a mom era just trying to figure it out one day at a time, you're not alone. I see you in the next video. So good night. Bye bye.